Hello guys, I have a few collections here of video cam ranging from VSS, SVSS, Digital 8, High 8, and Canon HD. Alright, let's go check it out, guys. Here they are right now. Here they got my collections right here. This is all my video cam. Let's see this first model. Okay, this Digital 8 Sony model DCR TRV 260. This has a good quality Digital 8. Okay, let's go to the next camera. Okay guys, this is a Super VSS. The media is VSSC Super VSS. This model is GR XMM260U GVC. It's made by GVC. Okay, next one. This VSS compact video cam. About this one, there's no LCD, so you gotta use the eyepiece to do your video. This model is GR AX970U. It's just a regular VSSC. It's for compact. Okay, this is Sony High 8 Handycam. It's still working. The model is CCD TRV 43. We used this back in late 90s. It's a good cam. We have it for over 10 years now. Okay. This is high-end digital handycam Digital 8. Probably cost this thing when brand new was over $1,000. It's a good model. This is DCR TRV 5110 model. It's still working right now, so I'm just using it once in a while because it's old, get damaged quickly. This one, I bought this thing in Best Buy, GVC mini digital video. The model of this thing is GRD770U. It has a good quality on this one. Okay, right now we got a mini digital video also. It's a good camera, very compact, good quality. Okay, this one is my Canon camera. Canon is this is only my high definition cam. Very expensive. This one is my GVC. I bought it in Singapore. It's broke right now. So that's it. That's all my collections.